Hi boys and girls, please put your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with long vowel silent E patterns. You can see we have a word box at the top of our page. We are going to be looking today for short A words and also long A words. So we are going to use two different colors to color what we hear in each word, and then we will write them underneath the correct column. Our first word is bake. Finger stretch the word bake with me. B-A-K, bake. Do you hear that long A say A in bake? I do too, so we're going to color it green. And you can notice in the word bake, we have the vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Our next word is the word lap. L-A-P, lap. I do not see a silent E at the end of the word lap. And I hear that the vowel is saying ah, which is a short vowel sound. So I'm going to color that yellow. Our next word is the word shape. Finger stretch, sh-a-p, shape. With shape, I can hear the long vowel A, and I see the vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Our next word is the word ham. Please finger stretch ham. H-a-m, ham. Point to the vowel. The vowel is saying ah. That is a short vowel sound. Our next word is the word name. Finger stretch. N-a-m, name. Point to the vowel. Do you see the vowel, consonant, silent E pattern? I do too. And that vowel is saying A. Our next word is the word man. M-a-n, man. A says ah in the word man. Short vowel sound. Our next word is the word mat. M-a-t, mat. I do not see a silent E on the end, and I do not see our pattern, vowel, consonant, silent E. So that means we are doing a short A closed syllable type with the word mat. Our next word is snake. Finger stretch. S-n-a-k, snake. I hear the vowel saying A, so I know that silent E is having that vowel say its name. Our next word is can. K-a-n, can. All right, my friends, I'm going to let you do the last three words without my help. I will read you the word. The word is late. L-A-T, late. Please color late yellow if it matches a short A sound that says ah, or please color it green if it matches the long A sound, A. Our next word is has. Finger stretch. H-a-z, has. With the word has, do you see that silent E on the end? I don't either. That's a big hint. And A, the vowel, is saying ah. Our last word is mane, like a lion's mane. M-a-n, mane. Do you see the pattern vowel, consonant, silent E? If you do, go ahead and color it to the matching color. We're now going to sort our words. My first word is bake. I'm going to write it underneath the long A because that A is saying A. Bake. And don't forget to cross it off once you do it so you can stay organized. Our next word is lap. L-A-P. Lap. Our next word is shape. Sh-A-P. Shape. Go ahead and finish writing the rest of those words. You're doing great. Keep up the hard work. All right, my friends, we're going to do some sound spelling boxes with our long vowel silent E pattern. Please watch my first one before you write it down. The first word we're going to do is cave. K-A-V. I hear 3 sounds. K-A-V. Then we write the sounds we hear. K-A-V. And I have that silent E on the end, and I'm going to do my gesture of silent E, or long vowel, silent E. Show me with your fingers how we make that gesture. It looks a lot like a peace sign. Long vowel, silent E. Then you'll write cave in our word column. Go ahead and pause the video and copy cave. Okay, my friends, our next word is the word mate. Finger stretch, mate. M-A-T. Mate. I hear 3 sounds. M-A-T. Write the sounds you hear. M-A-T. And that A is saying its name because of that silent E on the end. I'm going to draw the symbol for our gesture. Long vowel, silent E. Then we're going to write mate in the word column. Our next word is the word name. Finger stretch. N-A-M. You should be holding up 3 fingers, and that's for 3 sound boxes. N-A-M. Write the sounds you hear. N-A-M. With that silent E on the end, we have our vowel, consonant, silent E. Please write name in the word column. Our next word is the word same. Finger stretch. S-A-M. Same. Holding up 3 fingers for 3 sound boxes. S-A-M. Please write the sounds you hear. 1 sound for each box. S-A-M. You have that silent E, long vowel, silent E pattern. That E does not get its own box because it is silent. Our next word is the word lake. Finger stretch. L-A-K. Lake. 3 sounds. L-A-K. 1 sound per box. L-A-K. Silent E. There's that vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Please write lake underneath the word column. And our last word is the word brave. Finger stretch. B-R-A-V. Brave. I'm holding up 4 fingers, so I need 4 sound boxes. B-R-A-V. Write out the sounds you hear. B-R-A-V. We don't hear that silent E, so it's going to be small at the bottom, sharing a box. Long vowel, silent E pattern. Please write brave under your word column. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn this into the basket and move on to Lexia. You did great.